For a question element, we can adjust the position of the input field to be next, above, or below the question text. To change the input field position, select the question and click the Input Field Position button on the toolbar. When we add a new question, the input field is next to the text. Let's change it to above the question. Click the Above the Question option and click Apply. And this is how it looks when the input field is below the question. By adjusting the position of the input fields and removing or adding line breaks, we can have different layouts. Let's try this. We want to put our questions into 2 columns, and the input fields below the question. To make a question element next to the previous element, remove the line break in between them. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the questions.